In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Google Maps API key for free in just 5 minutes. First, you'll need to navigate to the Google Cloud Console. You can do this by heading to the website URL console.cloud.google.com. Once you're on the Google Cloud homepage, look for the project dropdown at the top of the page. Click on it, and you'll see an option to create a new project. Now, click on New Project. This will allow you to easily manage resources in future steps. You'll be asked to enter a name for your project. Make it something identifiable, as it will help you keep track of projects down the road. Once you've entered a name, hit the Create button to set up this new project. After the project setup, ensure you're in the correct project space by selecting it through the Select Project button. Moving forward, you'll need to access the navigation menu, represented by 3 horizontal lines, or sometimes a hamburger menu icon on the top left. Click on that, and then head over to APIs and Services. Inside the APIs and Services dashboard, find and click on the Enable APIs and Services option. Here, you'll need to type Maps JavaScript API into the search bar. Once you locate it, click on the Maps JavaScript API from the list of results, and then click on the Enable button to permit access to this particular API under your new project profile. After enabling the API, you'll see the option to agree to the service terms, so click on Agree and Continue. At this stage, you may be prompted to add payment method details. While Google requires these details to use its services, you can skip this for now to proceed and return to the Google Cloud Console. Navigate back to your newly enlarged project space using the same navigation menu, once again selecting APIs and Services. This time, you'll head over to the Credentials tab. This is where the magic happens. Hit the Create Credentials button, and from the drop-down, select API Keys. Google Cloud will create an API key for you, and you'll see it generate right before your eyes. Your final step in this process is to copy this API key. It's crucial because this key is what authorizes your applications to connect to Google's powerful mapping services for free. And there you have it, your free Google Maps API key. You're now set to integrate Google Maps into your projects and applications with ease. Remember, safeguarding this key is essential to prevent unauthorized use. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guided you smoothly through each step.